I feel like this is the right place for me because it's opening up my opportunity to connect with international organizations and both global companies. And GW offered such a great curriculum for my major.
I didn't want to be limited to one thing. And I remember looking through the website and there was this new major and it literally felt like I hit like a gold mine.
When I choose this university, I really look into the curriculum and the professor, and they are really amazing.
They taught me how to start a business, how to get funding, all of this amazing and valuable information. I learned everything: accounting, statistics, math, everything you can think of. I also learned marketing. Two sides of marketing as well. Like you have the creative side where you're creating things, but consumer behavior, as well as selling and personal selling. These are all such valuable things that you can implement in a workplace or even into your own business.
It giving me a glimpse of understanding on what is really actually look like into a marketing industry, and it was really helpful. Also, they give me a lot of pro bono project and capstone project where I got to work with the real clients.
Not only do you get a great education at GW, you learn so much about yourself and so much about life. I literally implement everything I learned into my life.
From personal level, I'm really happy that I am being exposed to such a diverse international culture. People in here so welcoming, so supportive that I feel like I find a peace home away from home.